So yeah, that part. And this is my shirt of the day. It's Black History Month. So I'm here at my doctor's office at the 6-month appointment, and I'm doing pretty well. I'm doing pretty well, so that's a great thing. There's the exam room. So I'm just here waiting for my doctor. I need to ask him one more question that I didn't ask him. So I'm just waiting for him to come back into the room. But yeah, I'm doing really good. He's really pleased at my progress. You can see I don't have any makeup on, so it's highlight in here. Now this is something that I couldn't do before surgery, but I'm doing it now. All right, so I'm out of there. All right, guys, so I'm just leaving, and ready to, let me take this off, just out of my appointment. And so now I am ready to leave and go back to life. Okay, kind of a dreary day outside. And so this is a quick and easy meal. When I don't know what I want to eat, I'll just go ahead and have a can of tuna. I just happen to be using the chicken of the sea, chunk white albacore tuna in water. Most of the times I do get solid, but you know, I do purchase the chunk white also. And so I take that and empty it and mix in just a little bit of mayonnaise, as you see, and a small amount of relish and red onions. I'll chop that up, put some pepper in there. Sometimes I'll put a little bit of garlic and onion powder in there just for flavor. And then I would warm up one of these small street taco keto 0 carbs La Banderita street tacos. And I love these carb counters because they're 0 carbs. As you can see here from the labels, you know, you always read the nutrition facts, only 20 calories. And then you see the amount of cholesterol and fat and all of that. But I do like the fact that it also has just a little bit of protein, not much, but 2 grams. I'll take it. I love the fact that it has the fiber in it, and it has 18% of the daily recommended fiber. As you can see, 5 grams of fiber. The insoluble fiber has 5 grams, soluble fiber 0, and 1% fat, and like I said, 20 calories per serving. So I do love these, and they're just the right amount. And it has, what does it say here? No hydrogenated oils. That's really important because the hydrogenated oils do cause a lot of inflammation, amongst other things. No bleach flour, no sugar added, and it's whole extra virgin olive oil. So I really enjoy these as well. Okay, as you see, how you calculate the carbs per tortilla, 5 total carbs, but you subtract the amount of fiber and that gives you your net. All right, so it's time to eat. I love this quick and easy meal, and yes, you see I still measure my food. 3.1 ounces, just enough so I don't go over the 4 ounces, because that's when I'm super stuffed. All right, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care and be well. Bye-bye.